In the annals of financial deceit, the Harshad Mehta scam stands as a colossal monument, a staggering billion-dollar fraud that shook the Indian stock market to its very core. Fade into the early 1990s, a time of economic liberalization in India. A man by the name of Harshad Mehta, also known as the Big Bull, began to make waves in the stock market. His charisma and confidence charmed the market, and investors flocked to him, eager to ride the wave of his success. Harshad Mehta, a stockbroker hailing from a humble background, rose to meteoric heights in the Bombay Stock Exchange. However, his rise was not solely due to his investment acumen. Behind the scenes, Mehta was orchestrating a massive fraud. The Big Bull's strategy relied on exploiting a loophole in the banking system, specifically the Ready Forward deal, which is a type of short-term loan banks give to each other. Mehta would convince the banks to issue a check in his name under the guise of buying securities for them. He would then use these funds, which were actually bank money, to inflate the prices of certain stocks. As the prices soared, other investors would rush in, further driving up prices. Mehta would then sell his shares at a profit, while the banks were left with devalued securities. This scheme continued for years, with Mehta's wealth and influence growing exponentially. However, in April of 1992, the bubble burst. The journalist Sucheta Dalal exposed Mehta's fraudulent activities, leading to a massive crash in the stock market. Stocks that Mehta had inflated fell like dominoes, and investors lost fortunes overnight. The aftermath of the Harshad Mehta scam was nothing short of catastrophic. The stock market was in shambles, and faith in the financial system was severely shaken. Mehta was arrested and charged with 72 criminal offenses, along with civil actions filed by various banks. Despite his claims of innocence, in 1996, Mehta was found guilty of a 4,000 crore fraud. He died in 2001 while still under criminal custody. In summary, the Harshad Mehta scam remains one of the most notorious financial scandals in India. It serves as a stark reminder of the potential for deception in the stock market and the importance of regulation and oversight. The Big Bull's rise and fall is a cautionary tale, a story of ambition, greed, and the devastating consequences of unchecked financial manipulation.